Tonight, Delhi witnessed something the world was watching. The arrival of one of the most powerful men on the planet. Putin's secretive aircraft. Modi's unexpected airport welcome. Unprecedented security. And behind all this, a mission that could change India's future.
Wait, international
Let's go inside the story. Putin landed in Delhi inside the Il-96-300 PU. The highly guarded Russian presidential aircraft known as the Flying Kremlin. This isn't a plane. It's a flying fortress. Anti-missile protection. Secure war room communication. Military command systems. Luxury presidential suite. This jet became the most tracked plane in the world today, as aviation fans watched it enter Indian airspace. When it finally touched down at Delhi's Palam Airport, the global spotlight turned to India. Here's the moment the world didn't expect. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself stood at the airport to welcome Putin. This is rare. Usually, a union minister or a senior official does the reception. But today, Modi broke protocol, walked onto the runway, and hugged Putin personally. And the symbolism didn't stop there. Putin and Modi sat in the same car, chatting as they drove out of the airport. Two powerful leaders, one car. A strong message to the world. Now let's talk about the security. Because this is not normal. A 5-layer security ring covered Putin throughout his visit. Layer 1, Russian presidential guards. Elite bodyguards. Snipers. Close protection commandos. Layer 2, Indian NSG Black Cats. Surrounding the convoy. Stationed at airport and hotel. Layer 3, Delhi police and SWAT. Layer 4, anti-drone jamming. Layer 5, AI-powered surveillance. Live monitoring of rooftops. Suspicious vehicles. Movement tracking. His personal car, the Aurus Senat limousine, was specially flown in from Moscow. Putin is in India for a 2-day state visit. Here's the schedule. Ceremonial welcome. Guard of honor. Visit to Rajghat. 23rd India-Russia Annual Summit. High-level strategic meetings. The agenda includes defense agreements, oil and energy deals, nuclear cooperation, technology partnerships, trade and investment expansion. This is not a casual visit. This is a strategic move. India's priorities are crystal clear. 1. Faster defense supplies. India wants Russia to speed up deliveries. Fighter jet parts, missile system components, spare parts for existing aircraft. 2. Long-term cheap oil deal. India wants stable discounted crude imports. 3. Russian investment in Indian projects. In sectors like energy, nuclear, and manufacturing. 4. Strengthening India-Russia strategic axis. As global geopolitics heats up, Russia also has its own expectations. 1. Diplomatic space. India is one of the few countries maintaining balanced ties. This boosts Russia's global position. 2. More trade with India. Russia wants bigger oil exports, defense technology projects, joint investments. 3. Strong BRICS partnership. Russia sees India as a stable ally in Asia. This visit sends a message globally. India and Russia stand strong. A special dinner was prepared for the Russian president. Indian delicacies. Russian-style dishes. Special hygienic kitchen. Russian security checking every plate. Nothing reaches Putin without multiple levels of testing. This visit is bigger than news headlines. It is about powerful global alliances, military partnerships, India's energy future, long-term geopolitical strategy. From the world's most tracked plane to Modi's rare airport welcome to the closed-door meetings that decide India's next decade, this visit will have a long impact. If you want updates on tomorrow's decisions, the defense deals, the signed agreements, and how they affect India's future, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Because I'll bring everything on this channel tomorrow.